guys, welcome to my channel. This is a little short video I'll be sharing with you today because I plan to go and do a little shopping, but as a budgeter we shop a little different and I just wanted to give you some inspiration. So check me out, of course, here on YouTube. I am on TikTok also, even though I don't post a lot, but I do post some content there, and Instagram. I post more on Instagram because of my schedule. So I plan to do a little shopping, so I'm gonna share with you what I plan to buy and which envelope I picked it out of. So I've been doing some physical therapy and it's really been helping with my tendonitis. So I plan to pick up some leg weights and this little belt that the therapists use that's really been helping me. So I'll be doing those exercises, you know, on the days I don't go to physical therapy. So I pulled $50 out of my fitness and health envelope. So yeah, this is to help keep me on budget. That way I don't have to spend any of my money in my buffer. And yes, I just feel more accomplished having these cash envelopes. So also I am doing a little decorating in my bedroom and I need some more wallpaper. So I'm going to Lowe's to get some wallpaper, and I also need some AA batteries. So I chose to pull that money out of home. So it's up to you how you do your budget. You can do it however you like. There's no right or wrong way. It's your budget. That's what I love about it. And also I plan to go and get my eyebrows waxed today. So I pulled that money out of self-care. So I give myself a $100 budget every week, and that's just to spend on whatever. But I normally don't have to spend that $100 because I always have categories for things I normally, you know, use, like self-care. I have fitness and health. And then I pretty much save for the things I want. So I usually keep my $100. So yeah, so that's what I'm doing this weekend. Get my eyebrows waxed, finish decorating my bedroom wall, and picking up me some weights and a belt. So that's it. I just wanted to come by and share with you a little day in the life of a budgeter. So I hope this video was helpful. Thank you. Have a nice day.